Hey guys, it's Nightshot here, and if they let me do this, oh my god, thanks. Guys, before this, I was trying to do a spike challenge. Okay, hold on. Okay, so guys, this was actually gonna be a, just challenge. I don't know, going through my mail, but it turned out that I'm actually gonna do lists. Now, I'm so glad that I caught that on video, otherwise they'll probably be mad. But I really want to know who traded me that. Because I really want to give the people who trade me gifts. So, yeah. Because they don't have to trade me. The people who troll, that's just plain mean, and I'm not gonna actually give them gifts. It was this person. Hopefully you were the person that traded me. I'm just gonna give these. Oh, I have two of them. What? Okay. I really hope that. Okay. I would send them a gift, but they're non-member. I'm so sorry. Otherwise I would definitely trade you. This was the tiger with a really good item. So I'm sorry. I know I should probably trade him. Yeah, I'll trade him. I want to be. Okay. I like what that person's saying. That's funny. Okay. Let's give you my other one of this because I don't know why I have that. Okay. You're welcome. I really hope this is the person that was trading me, because if they're not, then that will be a problem. Because yeah, Julian is back. What? Okay. No. Be fair. Be fair. If you want a rare, don't trade me part of the stuff that I'm doing for my challenge. You can just tell me, can you please give me a rare? But try to make it sound nice. Okay. Okay. Please trade me doing challenge recording. I've actually gotten a lot of trades. That first one, I haven't gotten any trades. So no one's trading me anymore. That's sad. I can't say necklace to Spike, which sucks. I'm really mad that I can't say that. Okay, I'll trade you again if you want me to. Would you rather this? I don't know which would you rather. I don't know. Okay. 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 I'm not sure how much Masterpiece tokens are worth, but I have a lot, and I don't think I'm gonna use them. Not these awful things. I have horrible masterpieces, except for the ones that were given to me. Those are actually good. I traded my one away for a masterpiece for this one. I'm actually kind of mad that I did that. It's a good masterpiece, I mean, but I'm probably under trading, but I really hope this person still trades. I mean, yeah. I'm not even sure how much masterpiece tokens are worth, but I feel like they're not that much. Oh, wow. Okay, you can have that. Fine. You can have that. Guess. But still, it's a challenge. You're supposed to trade me a little bit more. That's the purpose of the challenge, but whatever. Okay. Okay. Well, okay, I need some good items for my challenge. Like, oh my gosh, I'm sorry. What? What? Okay, what? Fine, you can have that, I don't care. I have so much bad items now. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm eating a peppermint. AJ, seriously. What? Let me see. I want to rate it. Okay, I can't say that. I'm gonna say 3. 3 out of 3. Okay. Can't really say anything, so, I can trade you Halloween items. Let's see what's on your trade. Oh my god, I'm gonna trade for that. Oh, wait, no, not on there. Can I just give you, like, this, and, I meant spooky for this. I don't really like these mittens. So, is that fair? I feel like that's an under trade. So, yep, knew it. Dang it. That would be cool. Okay. Okay, finally. Thank you, Animal Jam. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna have to end this here soon. I just really want one more trade. At least one. What? Why this? I haven't seen this in so long. Okay. I'm not sure if that's fair or something. I have no idea. But, oh, dang it. I meant to press cancel, but whatever. Yeah, it's probably an overtrade then. They said thank you. It's probably just a rare item Monday or something. I don't know. Trade me anything, yawn. What? I'll troll or treat you. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna do, but, I have so much necklaces and stupid stuff now. Ugh. It'd be cool if it randomly turned into good items. I mean, it would be cool if, there, I'm hoping that's a treat. Okay, who's at my den? Oh my god, what was that sound? Hello, person. I got a warn. I got a warn. Okay, I'm gonna just get rid of all these annoying bad stuff. Oh, geez, that's good now. I have no idea. Most of these were just from challenges or something. I'm gonna keep that, I don't know why. Okay. Yay, done. Okay. You turned into a bunny. Where are you? I want to know where you are. None of my best friends are actually on. No. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna do a part 2. These are the stuff I got. And, I'm gonna be having a giveaway. It's not, a good giveaway or anything. It's actually pretty bad. I didn't know I had that. I need to get rid of that right now. Well, actually not right now, but yeah, actually I should probably just keep these on trade. Okay, but anyways, the giveaway is this orange tiara, royal tiara. I'm not sure if that's good, but yeah, if you want to enter the giveaway, just subscribe and like this video. Thanks. Bye, guys.